Hello everyone, welcome to Hot Step Recipe. This is my new channel name. Sap means delicious. This word comes from the northeast of Thailand. When you get a delicious dish, then you say sap. Now all of Thai people know what you talk about. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Phad Khee Mao Sen or stir-fried gas noodle with holy basil or Thai basil with shrimp. I'm confirmed that this is so good. Sap mak. Sap mak means extra delicious. So let's get started. Alright everyone, first step we're gonna soak noodle in the hot water about 5 to 7 minutes. And then we're gonna go to prepare vegetable. I got green bean, red pepper, carrot, Thai chili, garlic, holy basil, young pepper. Okay, I'm gonna use mortar, pound chili and garlic together. If you don't have mortar, you can chop them together. This is holy basil or Thai basil. This one tastes more spicy than sweet basil. It's authentic Thai basil. This one young peppercorn. Phad Khee Mao supposed to have it. Now I'm gonna mixing sauce. I got oyster sauce, mushroom sauce, sugar, Maggi seasoning, and then mix well. Now we're gonna marinate shrimp. I got oyster, mushroom sauce, and a little sugar. Mix well and then leave it for 30 minutes. Then the noodles and cut it if you want, but I'm gonna eat it like this. Next step, I'm going to boiling green bean and carrot. I add a little salt and water just for taste and then boil it about 3 minutes and drain it. After we prepare ingredients, we're gonna start to cooking. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and then add chili and garlic. Stir until they are golden brown and then add shrimp. Stir until they are medium well and then add noodles. Add the sauce we mixing. Continue stirring until the sauce absorbs into the noodles. Then add red chili, young peppercorn, add carrot and green bean, holy basil. Stir fry until holy basil gets soft. And turn the heat off. And then time to taste it. Okay everyone, it's so good. Sap mak. We have any kind of Phad Khee Mao, Phad Khee Mao shrimp, Phad Khee Mao seafood, Phad Khee Mao chicken and eat with rice. Or you don't want to eat with rice, you can stir fry with noodle, whatever kind of noodle would you like, even spaghetti. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my dish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check the bell to notification so that you never miss my recipe weekly video. And feel free to make a comment below this video. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.